In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on Windows using two simple methods built directly into the operating system. The first method is through Windows Update. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Open Settings, then click Windows Update on the left side of the window. Once you are there, click Check for Updates and wait for Windows to search for new updates. Many hardware manufacturers deliver driver updates through Windows Update, so this is often the easiest way to keep your drivers up to date. If updates are available, download and install them, then restart your computer if Windows asks you to do so. The second method uses Device Manager. Open the Windows search bar, type Device Manager, and launch the application. Inside Device Manager, find the device you want to update. This could be your graphics card, network adapter, audio device, Bluetooth adapter, or any other piece of hardware installed in your computer. Expand the category, right-click the device, and select Update Driver. In the next window, choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will then scan your computer and Microsoft's driver database looking for a newer version. In my case, old drivers are already up to date, but if your system is using an older driver, Windows may find and install a newer version automatically. Keeping your drivers updated can help improve stability, compatibility, and performance, especially after major Windows updates or when troubleshooting hardware-related issues. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.